In this video, we're going to show you how to change Instagram settings so that you can upload at the highest video quality. Now, you will notice that a lot of times on Instagram, any video content is going to get compressed and the quality will be reduced. So whether you are posting a 4K video or a 1080p video, this is the case. But what's important is that we go into our settings on Instagram and change them so that we can upload at the highest quality. So starting from your profile, you can click on the bottom right hand corner logo to get there. We're going to come up to the top right and click on the three lines in the top right corner and go into the first option, which is our settings. Under settings, we want to scroll down and click account, and we are going to scroll down and then select data usage. Now we will have the option to select and turn on upload at highest quality, and this is going to be a really important setting if you plan to upload video content. Now we can just navigate back, and that setting has been changed. Whenever we upload to Instagram now, it is going to look better and upload at a higher quality with less compression. If you guys like this tutorial, subscribe to the channel. We are building out a free Instagram creator playlist that will just answer questions in the most short, concise possible way. Thanks for watching.